Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to fix Roblox cursor going off screen. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos, and now let's get into it. So in order to do this, we're going to try a couple of methods. For the first method, you want to go down here and to the search box in the taskbar and type in settings. Once it appears, go ahead and click on it, and here we are in the settings page of the computer. Here you want to click onto System from the menu on the left hand side, then go right here and click onto Display. From here you want to scroll down and look for the option where it says Advanced Display and give it a click. And then if your PC is connected to multiple screens, make sure it's selected on Display 1 Internal Display. Then come back up a screen and make sure the display's resolutions are set to what's recommended. So in my case it's recommended to 1920 x 1080. Now for the second method, you want to go back to the home screen. Then again click onto the search box underneath, and this time you want to type in Microsoft Store. And then once it appears in the results, right click on it and then click onto App Settings. From here you want to scroll down till you find a section where it says Reset, and from here you want to click onto the Reset button, and that should fix the issue. If that didn't work, then we can try a third method. Come back to the home screen and look for the Roblox player. Once you find it, right click on it and then click onto Open File Location. It's going to take you to this folder. Again, right click onto Roblox Player and click onto the Open File Location option. Then from here you want to look for Roblox Player Beta, and once you find it, right click on it and then click onto More Options underneath, and then click onto Properties. This pop-up window will appear. Go up here and click onto where it says Compatibility. Then you want to take this box where it says Run this program in compatibility mode, and then make sure it's selected to Windows 8. Then you're going to need to tick these two boxes, the display full screen optimizations and the run this program as an administrator. Once everything is set, click on to apply and then OK to close this window. Now you want to repeat the same process with Roblox Player Launcher, and by the end of it you should fix the Roblox cursor going off screen error. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next one.